Hi everyone, this is David with Malta Dynamics. Today we are looking at our 5K swivel anchor product line. These are available in a bolt-through option, a concrete option, and a steel weld-on puck option. Each of these anchors are rated to the ANSI Z359.8 requirements. These can be used in permanent applications or temporary applications. The swivel anchor themselves feature a 360-degree rotatable swivel. The swivel anchors are zinc-plated steel, so they're very corrosion resistant. With the steel bolt-through option, once you find a suitable beam in your facility, you drill a hole and attach the 360 swivel anchor per the torque specs and user's manual. When installing the concrete anchor, you'll use a hammer drill to drill out the hole and then some compressed air to get the debris out of the hole. After that, you're going to install the 360 swivel anchor and torque it down per the design specs in the user's manual. The weld-on puck is used if you want to weld this to a steel I-beam. So if you're inside a facility and you can't use the bolt-through option, you weld this to a beam inside a facility and it gives you a tie-off point. You just thread the anchor right to the weld-on puck. If you have any more questions about our 5K swivel anchors, please reach out to us at maltadynamics.com.